Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Maya from Maya Nail Designs, and these are the beautiful collages she prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos, and you can find links to everybody's video in the description box of mine. For my base, I've already applied these three gorgeous polishes. These two are from Shy's World. This one is called Noel, and this one is called Oh Christmas Tree. And the purple one is from My Dance. All three polishes look really pretty. To stamp, I'll be using this beautiful Ejiubas stamping plate EJB-X15. Before I can stamp, I have to remove the protective film. Now I'm going to try to stamp it again with white. I'll go over it with white. And for the beads, I'll use this You Are Beautiful 02 stamping plate, this image up here. I sealed in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, and now I'm going to apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat for a shiny glossy finish. Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!